The Danfoss Group is a global producer of components and solutions. The products and services are used in areas such as cooling food, air conditioning, heating buildings, controlling electric motors and powering mobile machinery. The company is also active in the field of solar and wind power as well as district heating and cooling infrastructure that targets entire cities and urban communities. Danfoss employs approximately 23,000 people worldwide with its headquarters in Nordborg, Denmark. Danfoss was founded in 1933 by Mads Clausen, and is today almost entirely owned by the Bitten and Mads Clausen Foundation. In 2002 Danfoss joined the United Nations Global Compact, consisting of 9 principles with social and environmental responsibility. Danfoss has an annual sales turnover of 34 billion Danish kroner, and has sales companies in 47 countries and 56 factories in 18 countries around the world. Company history: Danfoss founder Mads Clausen was born in 1905 on a farm in the southern part of Denmark, near the German border. In 1933, after graduating in engineering, he returned to his birthplace and started up a company in the attic of his parent unregistered trademark farmhouse. In the 1930s, helped by high customs barriers and import bans on certain products, Clausen was successful in producing and selling a long list of automatic valves for refrigeration plants, which had previously been imported from the United States. In the 1940s an expansion of the factory was completed and Danfoss agents were set up in Belgium, Norway, Finland, Spain, Sweden, the Netherlands and England. In the 1950s piecework was introduced at the factory and the number of employees rose above 2,000. In 1966 Mads Clausen died of a heart attack at the age of 60. His widow, Bitten Clausen, continued to lead the company as chairman of the board with Andreas Jepsen as president and CEO. In 1983 Danfoss celebrated its 50th anniversary and the 1,000th employee to reach 25 years of service. In 1996 Jan Clausen, son of Mads Clausen, was appointed president and CEO of the Danfoss Group. In 1997 sales exceeded 2,200 million and the number of employees reached 18,200. In 2000 Danfoss unregistered trademark business segment Mobile Hydraulics merged with a German company Sauer, Incorporated to form Sauer Danfoss. Jan Clausen became chairman of this company. Danfoss currently owns 55.4% of the stock, which is traded on New York Stock Exchange. In 2005, 100 years after the birth of his founder, Danfoss headquarters is still located in the rural village of Nordborg, and the Clausen family's old farmhouse has been transformed into a science theme park. In 2007 the Danfoss Group expanded its facilities around the world in particular in Denmark, Canada, China, United States, Romania, Poland and France with about 130,000 sqam of production, warehouse and office facilities. In 2008 Danfoss celebrated its 75th anniversary and the 40th anniversary of the VLT frequency converter. Jan Clausen retired as CEO at his 60th birthday. Niels B. Christiansen became the new CEO. In October 20, 2012, Bitten Clausen, widow of Danfoss founder Mads Clausen, celebrated her 100th birthday. Executive Committee: Niels B. Christiansen, President and Chief Executive Officer, Kim Forsing, Executive Vice President and Chief Operations Officer, Jesper V. Christensen, Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. References. External links: Danfoss Company website, Sauer Danfoss Company website, Danfoss Universe, Science and Experience Park, Danfoss Turbica, U.S. joint venture to manufacture oil-free, high-efficiency compressors.